Okay. Okay, Kate and Lily. So today we're going to remember all of our multiplication facts before we start a new lesson in multiplication. So I'm going to ask you a question and you're going to give me the answer. What is 4 times 5?
20.
And 4 times 7?
28.
And 6 times 4?
24.
And 6 times 7?
42.
7 times 5?
35.
7 times 8?
56.
8 times 8?
64.
How about 9 times 3?
27.
Good job. So it's super important that we always practice our multiplication facts, because the quicker you know them, the quicker you'll be able to follow bigger problems, which we're going to do one today. So last week we did a problem that looked like this. $24 times 7. Seems like much bigger than what we just said right now, but really we just break it up. So what's 7 times 4?
28.
28. So we put the 8 down here and we carry the 2. How about 7 times 2?
14.
And then we add 2 more. 14 plus 2 is 16. And we write that next to the 8. So the answer is 168. So it was really just as easy as doing 7 times 4 and 7 times 2. So I think you guys get that, and I think that we can move on to a harder problem. So the next problem I want to try is really similar to the one I just wrote down, except it has one more digit. 24 times 17. That has one extra number than what I just wrote, right?
Mm-hmm.
But it's not as complicated as you think. 24 is just the same as 20 plus 4, right? And 17 is the same as 10 plus 7. Now I'm going to teach you guys the bow tie method for multiplication. So the first step in the bow tie method is to multiply 7 times 4. And what's that?
28.
Good job. 28. The next step is to multiply across 7 times 20. And what's 7 times 20?
140.
140. Good job. Now, this one's done, right? It's already been multiplied twice, so we're tired. Now we're going to multiply 10 times 4. And what's that?
40. Good
job. And last but not least, we're going to multiply 10 times 20. You know what that is?
200.
200. So now we've got all 4 multiplication problems, and we're just going to add them up. What's 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0?
8.
What about 2 plus 4? 6.
6.
7, 8, 9, 10. Put the 0, carry the 1, and 2 plus 2?
4.
4. So our answer is 408. And what kind of shape did we make here? Kate, what does that look like?
X.
X! What do you think it looks like, Lily?
An X.
An X? What about a bow tie?
Bow tie.
A bow tie. That's how we do the bow tie method. Okay. So you guys did really good on that one. Now we're going to try a few more examples.
Lily's not 5 anymore.
How old is she now?
I forget. 8.
You know what they say about 8? 8 is great. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is 12 times 13. So that's a little bit easier, but 12 is the same as 10 plus 2, and 13 is the same as 10 plus 3. So just like we did the second time, or the first time, we're going to do the steps all over again. 3 times 2 is 6.
The looks like it too.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I can. Good job. The 3 times 10 is 30.
Make a bow again.
We're going to. 10 times 2 is 20. And 10 times 10 is 100. You okay?
Yeah.
It's okay. So again, we made a bow tie, right? Cute little bow tie.
That's a
6
bow.
plus 0 plus 0 plus 0.
6.
What about 3 plus 2?
5.
5.
And 1 plus nothing?
1.
1. So the answer is 156. It's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. Okay, I'm gonna do another. Whoa! Okay, we're gonna do another one. 21 times 16. And I'm gonna teach you a little trick. Any number times 1 is that number. So 2 times 1 is 2, 1 times 3 is 2.
6 times 1 is 6.
6. You got the hang of it. So 21 is the same as
21.
and
No,
20.
is
22.
20 plus,
2.
right?
Yeah, 20 plus 1.
And what about 16?
60, 10 plus 6.
Good job. So now we're going to do those steps all over again. 6 times 1.
1. Or 6.
You got it. 6 times, oops, gotta change colors. 6 times 20 is 120. 10 times 1, can you guess what that is?
10.
Yeah, you are smart. They were right about you. And 10 times 20 is 200. So again, we add them all up. 6 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0.
Is it 6?
And 2 plus 1 plus 0.
7.
4. Or
6.
6.
3.
3.
And 2 plus 1 again is 3.
3.
So 336 is our answer. And again, we made
A bow.
a bow tie. We're going to do a few more until we're experts. Because then I'm going to give you a worksheet and you guys are going to do this all on your own. So the next one we're going to do is 32 times 15, which is the same as 30 plus 2 and 10 plus 5. So first, we multiply up. 5 times 2 is 10. Then we multiply across. 5 times 30 is 150.
Are you doing the bow again?
Then we all right, 2 more problems and then I think you guys will be experts. 26 times 35. And then I think we're going to be experts. times 17 is the same as 50
plus 3.
and
1 plus 7. No, 10 plus 7.
good job. Okay, so the first way we multiply is,
Go up to the 3.
okay,
Add.
so 7 times 3 is 21. Then
One.
we go across. 7 times 50 is 350. Then we go across again. 10 times 3 is 30. And then we go up. 5 times 10, or 50 times 10 is 500. Can you help me add these? 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. 2 plus 5
7.
plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good girl. Carry the 1, right? So 3 plus 1 is
4.
plus 5.
901.
901. And for the last time, what did we make?
A bow tie.
A bow tie. All right, I think you girls are ready to do it by yourself.
You color the bows though.
We're gonna color the bows last. I want you to work on these worksheets. All right, so now that I think you guys are experts in the bow tie method, it's time to color your bow ties so that you can wear them home.
I
So
can
there it is,
look at those bows.
and there are crayons and markers. Just throw them out on the desk. Pick your favorite smell.
I dried on my tongue. In my finger.